Prominent pro-democracy campaigner Freeman Chari has intensified pressure on Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa by urging him to step down in 2028 in accordance with the country's constitution. Sababu nambasho kubda pangwa ino tunamtuka nyika President Emmerson Mnangagwa has been urged to step down. Time patukuona kuti the ruling party ZANU-PF, especially the Uganda faction, it is putting much effort kuti attain vision 2030 through my constitutional amendments. Sababu nambasho kubda kwa pangwa ino nabda kwa chinsi. Time to go. Activist Freeman Chari tells Mnangagwa to step down in 2028. Remember, subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon. Team number truth and about the picture Akira Morkono Branyara GT. Chari said, leaders across Africa have shown that peaceful retirement from power is both possible and necessary for democracy to thrive. He pointed to former regional leaders such as Uhuru Kenyatta, Joaquim Chissano, and Filipe Nyusi as examples of presidents who left office and allowed democratic transitions to take place. The outspoken activist reportedly called on Mnangagwa to go and rest after his current constitutional term ends, warning against any attempts to extend presidential rule beyond 2028. The remarks are expected to fuel fresh political debate in Zimbabwe amid growing public scrutiny over the country's democratic future and leadership succession. Doma developments are pangwa ino na President Mnangagwa pangwa ino patona kuti the ruling party ZANU-PF as they are pushing for back constitutional amendments. Ajata to President Mnangagwa team yawe extended by 2 more years or more. Pangwa ino tukuna this activist waya vachi blocker vachiti aiwa the president must retire in 2028. Bila comment section medu za fungira enyi matu kudipa msuru pichitiko ichi. So subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.